Now we're going to multiply. We're still doing multiple digit multiplication. We've increased the number of digits on top in this practice set. Bottom, we still have 2 digits. So the process is going to be the same. The numbers are just going to be longer because we have more to multiply by in the top. Let's follow the same procedure. Units, row, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. So we've taken care of, so we have 32 groups of 334. We've taken care of 2 of them. Now let's move over to the 30. The other 30, since it's 30, change colors here, we have to put in the 0 to account for that, because I'm not going to be thinking about it. It's too much to think about now. Now I just need to be saying 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9 again, plus 1 is 10 again. Now, we multiplied to get this first group, 2. We multiplied 30 to get the second group. Now we just sum those two products, and we get 10,668 as our final answer. I'm going to model one more problem for you, and then set you loose to practice. 413 times 43 is the next one. And let's jump into it. Now we know the algorithm. Hopefully you're starting to gain some fluency with it. You're not having to think so much. You're just kind of reacting to get through it. That's a good thing. Your teachers may still stop you and ask you some questions about values, and you should be able to answer it, but you can't be thinking about it the whole time. So units column, taking care of 3 of our 43 groups. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 times 4, 13 gives me the 1,239. Now, by a teacher question, they may be asking you, what's the value of this 3? It's 30. Or when you multiply 3 times 1, what are you really doing? You're multiplying 3 times 10. That's how you get the 3 in that column. They may ask you questions like that, and you need to be able to justify it. But as you're working the algorithm, you're just thinking about each individual number one at a time. Now, since we've moved over to the 40, we put the 0 in to account for that hidden 10, and then we just start focusing on the numbers. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 times 4 is 16. And each time we deal with a number, we just keep moving to the left in the algorithm. It all works out. Everything ends up in the right place. That's the beauty of the algorithm. You don't have to think about it as much, but you do need to be careful that you're getting stuff, lining stuff up in the columns. Now I have my 2 products, one from the 3 times, one from the 40 times, and I sum those products to get my total. So 17,759 is the total of the second one. Okay, should be getting pretty good at this by now. Go get some practice.